My WhatsApp group, I greet all of you. My name is Victor Isibor, and it is good to have you here in this group. A lot of you come to me and say, Victor Isibor, I have lost so much to Ponzi schemes. How can I stop losing money to Ponzi schemes? Give me a list of legitimate platforms to invest in. You are just moving around in circles. Before I give you a solution, first of all, let me tell you the cause of your problem. Number one is impatience. You are impatient. You want to invest today and start earning tomorrow. Now, Ponzi schemers and scammers and fraudsters, they know that you are impatient. So they will bring to you bogus websites where they will ask you to invest your money and start earning XYZ% on a daily basis right from tomorrow. My brothers and sisters, the moment you give your money to one smart contract, one crypto arbitrage, or one website, or one CEO, you no longer have control over that money. You neither have access nor control of that money. They will now be the one to tell you when you can withdraw. They will now even attach a withdrawal fee to your own money. They will now be controlling you. You will now be at their mercy. If they die or they fall sick or anything happens to them, your money is gone. Why? Because you have given your money to a third party. Now, the thing is this. If your money is in the hands of somebody, that person can decide your financial fate. You have to make that commitment that you will stop doing any kind of ROI business online. 99% of them are fake. Number two reason why you are always falling for Ponzi schemes is because you are reluctant to learn. You are too lazy to learn. You always want to jump the gun. You are only interested in earning, but you don't want to learn. And the normal sequence of things is that you must first of all learn. Then later, the L at the beginning of learn will now become silent. You will now start to earn. That is the normal order. You must make a commitment that you will learn that thing. Anything that is good enough to make you money, then you should have some knowledge of that thing. It is not good for you to invest in what you don't know anything about. That means that CEO that you have given your money to can come and tell you some cock and bull story. After all, you have learned nothing, you know nothing about it. If, for instance, crypto investment is your addiction, why don't you take time to learn how to trade crypto by yourself? Look at the CEO of the platform you want to invest money. Look how funny he looks. Look at his appearance. If that guy can learn crypto, learn it and be good enough to ask you to bring your money, why don't you take out time, even if it is 1 or 2 hours per day, sit down and learn the rudiments of this crypto. Practice makes perfect. In little or no time, you start taking baby steps. Before you know, you start running with the crypto. So make sure you invest in knowledge. They said the best investment is the investment in yourself, investment in knowledge, something that can never be taken away from you. So the main question, I believe, on the minds of every one of you is that the learning process may be slow. So how would you be earning while you are learning? Okay, that is why I put in the description of this video a link to a platform that affords you the opportunity to kill those two birds with one stone. You are learning and at the same time you are earning, all from crypto. All you need to do is sign up via the link in the description, contact me via the WhatsApp link that is given, and I will guide you to activate a yearly subscription on this platform. Then you will be added to the group where you will be mentored by numerous seasoned crypto traders who hold daily technical Zoom meetings exposing the secrets of the crypto world to you. Before you know, you will be on your way to mastering crypto. It is not rocket science. Even a woman of 80 years old can learn. So everybody watching this video, go to the description of this video to register for this non-custodial cryptocurrency trading robot that Mr. Victor Isibor just suggested to us. Non-custodial means that you are not giving your capital to this robot. Your capital is in your exchange of choice. API connects the robot with your exchange, and the robot can trade for you, and your profit goes directly into your exchange. The robot cannot take your money. Thank you very much, Mr. Victor Isibor. The next question now is spot or futures trading. Which one would you suggest for us? Well, I don't even have to think about it before I answer. Spot is better than futures, especially for beginner traders like you. Futures is best suited for seasoned and highly experienced crypto traders, and it is extremely risky. There's nowhere you want to trade futures that they will not first of all warn you, and you will sign an agreement that you agree that you are about to do something risky. The major remarkable difference between spot and futures is the fact that in spot, you don't really technically lose. Why do I say so? When a robot is trading the spot market for you, it is actually buying tokens for you and storing in your exchange. Stores it in your wallet of your exchange for you, with the plan of selling it when the price goes higher than the initial buy price. Worst case scenario, the price may drop lower than the initial buy price. What would you do? You patiently wait. When the price goes higher, you sell. Why? Because you have already stocked those tokens. It's like going to buy cement for $5. The price now drops to $4. You have your cement. They are there. You can see your investment. You will sell them when the price goes higher. But futures.
You dey use your future to play. You dey use your generation to play. You dey use your next generation to play. You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good. You are doing lunatic encyclopedia pre-calculation of Jajatica.
Futures is more or less like gambling, because in futures you are speculating on the future price of a crypto asset. Futures trading refers to a method of speculating on the price of assets like cryptocurrency without actually owning them. That means you are not stocking anything. You are just throwing your money in the market, speculating the future price of a particular token. And your money can just disappear and you will have nothing to show for it. Liquidation is very, very common when you are trading futures. In futures, the market is against you. The exchange on which you are trading is actively trying to liquidate you. There are lots of market manipulation. So futures is not for beginners. It is for pro traders. Even the best traders in the world, they lose often in the futures market. Wow, brilliant answer, Victor Isibor. Another question we have for you is, when we are talking about crypto trading robots, which do you prefer, semi-automatic or fully automated robots, and why? Well, from my experience in crypto, from what I have learned so far, I think that semi-automatic is better, because semi-automatic means that there is human input required of you, okay? Then the robot will do the rest. Fully automated robots in a volatile market like crypto, it will not work. Any fully automated robot you see is bound to make you lose money. Why? If the robot has been pre-configured in a certain way, that configuration, if it works for Matic, it may not work for XRP. If it works for XRP, it will blow your account if you trade Cardano with it. Okay, so no one configuration is okay for all crypto coins. Apart from one configuration not being okay for all crypto coins, one configuration is not even okay for one coin on a daily basis, because the characteristics of Matic today will not be the characteristics of Matic tomorrow. You see, where human effort is needed, you can't just be lazy and go and look for one automatic robot and dump your money inside and go and sleep. You will wake up to an empty account. My brother, 1 hour in crypto is a very, very long time. A lot of things can happen within 1 hour. The market is ever dynamic and it is extremely volatile. So you don't carry an automated robot, put your money there, then you go to sleep. You wake up to an empty account. For anybody who has made a commitment to make money from crypto, crypto can make you a whole lot of money, but you need to dedicate your time to it. So if you are signing up with the link in the description, be ready to follow up with updates on the group, because the things that move the market are not only technical, they are also fundamental. So when you say you want to automate a robot, will the robot be listening to CNN for you to know what to do? Do you know that one single news or tweet can change the entire dynamics of the market? How will the robot, the automated robot, react? If you want to make money from crypto, you have to stay active. Okay, Victor Isibor, you know, the robot in the description of this video requires that we pay a yearly subscription. But you see, many exchanges have trading robots that are free. So people will be wondering, why don't we go for that one? For example, you are trading crypto using Binance or KuCoin robots. Will Binance or KuCoin hold daily Zoom meetings to update you with what is going on in the market? Will Binance and KuCoin create WhatsApp and Telegram groups and assemble some of the best crypto traders who are going to be interacting with you on a daily basis, teaching you new strategies, giving you coin updates on a daily basis, helping you with issues in the crypto market? Will Binance and KuCoin create a compensation plan that can generate wealth for network marketers? If those exchanges are not going to give you mentoring support 24/7, give you interactions, give you social interacting opportunities to rub shoulders with seasoned crypto traders who are going to be giving you updates and sharing their secret strategies with you, then I think it is worth it to pay subscription for the kind of robot that is in the description of this video. Wow, very brilliant session you've had with us. So what are your final words, Mr. Victor Isibor? The link in the description of this video is not for everybody. It is for a selected few people. It is for patient people. It is for people who are ready to learn and change their financial destiny. For impatient people who want to start today and become millionaire tomorrow, they should go to the next available Ponzi scheme. But for those who want to learn a high income skill like crypto trading and earning some money along the way and interacting and rubbing minds with some of the finest crypto traders in the world, then they can sign up with the link in the description. The link in the description carries the king of robots. So go ahead, sign up, and make sure you contact me. Then I will add you to the necessary groups. Thank you very much.